Hello everybody, welcome to this week's episode. Now this week, I'm going to do this one. Actually, you look a bit down today. What's the matter, mate?
I know, I normally introduce the episode, don't I? But I'm a bit quiet tonight.
Why is that then?
Quiet tonight. You know, just a bit down, work and all that sort of thing and all that.
I know what to cheer you up.
Easy.
I know what to cheer you up. You stay there a minute. I know what to cheer you up. Here we go, look.
Hey, we ain't seen that lady,
No, we ain't.
We ain't seen that lady.
Look at that. Here we go. The last one.
Oh, you've done them, have you?
Yeah.
You've done the holes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Where's it?
I've literally just drilled them right next to the stud.
Right. The
So-
stud?
So they're all
Right.
in the same position basically. They're a little bit off of where they are, but it doesn't matter because it's just literally get the brake lines round. I've partially got one round anyway. So I don't know if you want to see that, film that. It's
All right.
got to be tidied up a bit, but
Let me come round, hang
Yeah.
on.
yeah, so I've already got that one in, look, because the stud was all right on that, so that one started. So I've started it, but I've got to tidy that little bit of the bend up. I know you won't see it because it's on the tank, but I want to get them straight, so I've got to tart that up, and then that just carry on right round then, past the side of the fuel tank, then comes out once the rear axle's put in, then it goes onto that rear axle, but we've just got to get them past the fuel tank and then tart them up once they're past it, once the fuel tank's in. So we just need to get them brake lines back round where they are.
So these holes you've drilled, where have you
Yeah.
put them?
There's one there, look, next to that stud.
Yeah.
And there's one next to that stud. I was
Yeah.
going to cut them off, but I'm just going to leave them because they're already painted. So I'm
Right.
just going to leave the studs there, and then they just go next to the studs. And then we've got one to put in there for the fuel lines that hold the fuel lines up. That's in another bucket somewhere. It's different to these ones. It's got bigger clips in it. I've got to find that and put that one in, and then it just runs around, and then the tank goes in, and then those clips on the bottom of the tank weren't for pipe work. They were for these cables, because they clip on the bottom of the tank and then they go through the axle out the back, through a hole in the axle, and then come back round and go onto the brake caliper at the back like that. I think it's like that actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you want me to do then? Do you want me to get in the
I
car?
want you to get in the car, and I want you to put that, because I'm using these are the dome, because we never showed you before. They're the little dome caps that we're going to use, 6mm. And then I just want you to push them through the hole, and then I'll start screwing the brake clip onto it. And I just want you to tighten it up. Once I've got it held into position, just tighten it up. And then I've had another idea, because some of the pipes have got to be doubled up on them, and I can't get the clips from Mini. Mini don't sell the clips anymore, the multi-clips you need for the fuel lines and the brake lines. So where that stud comes right through, I'm then going to put another, it's like a cable tie base that you can screw on, which I can then screw onto that 6mm, and then put a cable tie around it, so that holds all the fuel lines in there. I might do it slightly different to that yet, but that's the only idea I've come up with at the moment. If we get these ones on first, then we
Right.
should be all right.
I'll get in the car then.
If you get in the car,
Right.
yeah.
Okay.
All right. Right, mother, you ready?
You got your plug there, have you?
Yep, got it all there, ready for you. Just
Right,
need to
we're coming through. We're working on this first hole,
Yeah,
yeah?
okay. Yeah, hold it tight, and then I'll just screw the thing on.
Yeah, I'm holding it tight.
Hold on
I'm holding it
tight
tight.
to your dream. Oh, I should better stop that because we get a copyright strike, won't we?
What are you doing?
Right, okie dokie. Well, I'm going to hold it in position now. If you can do it up with a ratchet.
Oh, right.
Yeah?
Hold on.
Try not to chip the paint, if you can help it.
I'll try not to chip the paint.
I mean, I know it's not brilliant, but... Sounds like Donald Duck, doesn't it?
How tight do you want it?
Oh, well, yeah, well, that's it.
Because it's only plastic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm going to draw it through, and I.
Don't go silly. Right, this bottom one now. Bottom one down there, look. Ooh. Oh.
Right, hang on.
See it? That's the one. That's the kiddie. You might have to do this one up from the... Hang on.
From the what?
No, that's all right. Just bear with. I ain't said that for a long while, have I?
Just twisting.
Twisting me
I
melon,
might
man.
need to put the ratchet on it because it's twisting through my hands,
Right,
isn't
go on
it?
in.
Did you hear my knees then?
Yeah, you got terrible knees. A bit like your personality. Actually, I need a pair of pliers to hold that, I think, because the force of your spinning it round is out. It's not. I'm not holding it in me thingies. Okay, just get a pair of pliers. 'Cause I'm holding it with my hands. I'm holding it with my hands. Right. Oh, get back, back. Right, go on in, mother.
Hang on. Hang on.
I don't know if it's got to go upwards or where it's got to go. How do ya?
Well, it's not even tight.
Sure? Feels
No.
like it. No, I think that's tight enough, Bluey.
You sure?
Yeah, I don't want it pulling out the clip. Do you know what I mean? Don't want it stripping. Yeah.
Right. Right, it's a third one, isn't it? Third
Yeah.
one coming through.
Yeah.
I'll put the fourth one in as well so you know where they're all coming
Yes.
out, mate. There you go. And the fifth one.
Come on.
There you go. All right. Would you want to go back to the third one now?
Yep.
You're going to stick a plug on it?
Yep. Hang on, let me get started.
Okie dokie.
Let's get it started.
Oh, that's spinning now.
Is it?
Hang on a minute. Let me get the old... There you go.
Hang on, let me get the pliers on it. Right, go on in.
Oh, what, you want me to...
Yeah.
Feels tightening up.
Yeah, I think that's it. Hang on, Will. There with. Yeah, just one for luck. That's it. Right, the other middle one. This one.
Hang on, I can't get me doobie out.
Give it a wiggle.
Oh.
You haven't done that for a long while.
I've got the ratchet stuck. The bloody ratchet stuck. Stuck in the head of the...
Oh,
Yeah, I've got
really?
one job to do. Unbelievable.
Me.
Unbelievable. I'm out. I'm good.
Your opinion.
Panic over. There you go. Go on. One job.
One job to do. Oh, no, you'll have to. I'm sorry, you'll have to, because
What?
it's getting stuck on the lug that's there in it that I've kept there.
So what, you want me to tighten
Yeah,
it?
please.
All right. Yeah. What do you see? Oh, hello. Why's me ratchet not ratcheting?
Don't know. What have you done to it? You broke it, ain't you?
That's it. I haven't broken anything.
So bloody clumsy. And you say I'm clumsy.
No, it's because it's not got any resistance.
Resistance. Come closer, my darling. Come closer.
Thank God, I just got to use my fingers to resist it.
My resistance is low. You touch my fingertips.
What song's that?
That's resistance, isn't it? You said you ain't got any resistance. So that's listening to Radio 2 when I was a kid, in the mornings before my dad went to work.
Right, that feels quite
Yeah,
tight
it's
now.
lovely. It's beautiful. Just got one more in. One more for luck.
It's a beautiful thing.
Beautiful thing. One more for luck. What have I done with it? I've got one. I've all got bolts in them.
I'm building quite a sweat up.
Yeah, it's the first bit of work you've done for a long while.
Easy. There we go.
That's it. Lovely. That's lovely, Mark. Let me come round. It's alright, isn't it? Looks alright. They look quite nice, don't they? They look quite neat, don't they?
Yeah, I've done a good job of that.
You have. They look neat though, don't they? They're better than them silly little prongs coming through. I say, Holmes. Where are we going now, Holmes?
Done a good job of that, okay. So, don't find job. Don't do a good job.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
on.
What's the matter with you, Dave? Flipping heck, Bluey.
I'll
Just leave it on the floor. Don't touch it.
Oh, right. Hey, hang on a minute. You've cracked on there, haven't you?
Hello.
Yeah, you cracked on.
Yeah,
well.
no, we've done all right.
I know I'm running a bit late, but
Hey, if you're a bit early, you could see me building it, couldn't you?
hey,
Just a bit early, you could see me building it.
well,
The only thing I've got to put on there left to do, I've sanded the anti-roll bar down and rust treated it. I've just got to paint that with Hammerite and put that on. But the rest of it's together. Obviously, they're not the shocks we're putting on it. We're going to put the new shocks on it, but we've done the same as we did on the front, so we can put it all back in. And
so you built like we took it all off in one lump. You put it all back together in one lump to just bolt back on the back.
Yeah, then we just jack it up and bolt it in.
Right.
There's still 4 bolts I'm waiting to come. Some new bolts for the back yet, going to that swing arm. But that's about it really. Put all the new brake calipers on. We got. I have actually ordered some Comline rear discs because I'm desperate to see what they're like. See if they do not corrode over time. So we got them to come. That's all that's really got to go on, so it can go back really.
All right.
You know, I got a new.
You better talk us through it.
Come on in.
I'm coming in. You better talk us through it. Come on. What was the first bit you did then?
See again, I've forgotten what they're bloody called. Why do I do this? I do it every time, don't I? Train it. Swing arms. I bolted them on first, and I used them duff nuts and bolts that we'd got that were the wrong pitch because it didn't matter because of the hole they went in.
Right.
So then I had to use the old ones to put the other end onto the trailing arm. I can't remember what that bloody old called. So I bolted all that on, then I stuck the shock on, then the drop link on ready for the anti-roll bar, and then just basically the hubs. And what I did with the hubs, I put some copper slip on the back of the hubs where they sit on that metalwork, and then bolted them in. I've actually painted the back of the hubs with Hammerite, so hopefully they won't rust in too much. Put the new calipers on, obviously put the new hoses on. And that's it really. Oh, and the sensors, put new sensors on as well. New anti-lock braking sensors. And that's it really.
Right.
Yeah.
And that's all pretty much built back
it's all
now.
back together, yeah. So I've got obviously poly bushes and new tops for the anti-roll bar, which is built bolt on there, and then that's ready to go back in.
Right. And have we worked out yet whether that goes on and then the fuel tank?
I think it goes on first, then the fuel tank, because I think the fuel tank bolts onto these two apertures here. You come over.
Right.
You come over.
I'll come and do a close up in a minute.
So I've been working hard today, funny enough.
Well, you work hard every day.
Well, the thing is, I hadn't had the telly on either, which is good, so I got them all done because the touring cars weren't on.
Oh yeah, of course, it's not touring car weekend, is it?
No.
Yeah.
So I normally sit and watch all that lot, don't I? But yeah. But so we've got the new shocks to go on, so I think it'll be all right. But yeah, went together all right, and it looks all right as well. It looks quite nice, doesn't it?
Yeah. Right, so thanks for watching this week's episode. So that's the back end you pretty much.
It is, yeah. So it's pretty straightforward now. Just got to bolt that in, then get
whack
the
it
tank
in
in
next time.
Yeah. The other thing as well, I found a oil catch can that I had. I got given years ago, and I never did use it. So we might use that. I don't know quite where to put it.
Can? Don't say it's a can that catches oil.
It does, yeah. Basically, that's what it does. Because the pressure in the head. Sometimes it takes it. Yeah, I'll explain it better. I'm going to explain it now.
You don't think I'm going to understand, do you? Yeah,
I'm not saying that.
Yeah. Brilliant. Thanks very much for that vote of confidence. Right now,
yes,
next episode, you're waiting on some bits, aren't you?
I'm waiting on some bits. Yeah, I'm waiting on some bolts because I can't really put that back in until I get these bolts. I don't want to start packing the belt. So
all right,
they should be in. Yeah.
So I might take the opportunity of going on a visit.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah,
We'll see what happens then. We'll see what happens. Right. Okay.
Yeah, we've been asked to go there, haven't we? So it's a nice place as well. So quite exciting.
Yeah, it'd be good. Right. Yeah. So let's do the usual bit then.
Yes.
I'm going to get this wrong again.
Yeah.
Down here's the playlist.
And here's last week's episode.
And in the middle is the link to all the websites. So thank you to the whole YouTube feed. So thanks so much for watching.
Yeah.
We'll see you this week. Oh, before we go, hello Roger.
Oh, hello, Rog.
Hey.
Oh, and Tracy and Vivi and Jamie.
Yes.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.